What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how to make money on Coinbase for beginners in 2021 and beyond. Now, as I'm going over this, if you guys want to get started here, I'll have some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. If you could also smash a like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. Okay, so I'm just showing the 1 year here. I've been able to grow my account from literally around $7,000 to where it is today. So, I mean, I'm obviously extremely happy about the results, but I'm going to show you what propelled me to this point. I can't guarantee the same results, but I'm going to show you the strategy I used. Now, that strategy is called swing trading. Now, there are a couple different ways that you can make money, trading and investing in cryptocurrencies. One of them is swing trading. So basically, we're going to look at Ethereum because this is a coin that I have done this with. And if we look at the 1 month chart for Ethereum, you're going to notice that, there are these peaks where it goes up and then it goes down, right? So the key to, making money a lot faster, being able to compound your money, is to buy when things are going down, and when they start to go up a little bit, you sell. Now, this could be anywhere from making like 4%, 5%, 10%, but the key is to sell, let that money compound, then re-buy in again and do the same thing over. Now, you could end up holding a coin for anywhere from, a day, a week, to sometimes a couple of months, depending on how it's going. And this is how I've done it, guys. I mean, it's really that simple. However, like I said, I can't promise the same results. Another coin I did do this with, especially over like the last year and last couple of years, honestly, is the basic attention token. Now, when you start swing trading with different coins, you kind of get an idea of how they move, the ones you kind of stick with. And this is one that I was really comfortable with. I was just kind of always like buying in, buying out, making, a few percent, and just, rinse and repeating the process. Now, you could also do what's called long-term holding, which is totally fine too. It just takes longer to make money this way. For example, Ethereum, if you look over the last year, you can see it's up like 1,200%. So, I mean, if you had like $1,000, you now have like $12,000, right? So that is a way to do it too. But like I said, sometimes it just takes a little bit longer, and you have to be more patient. And then swing trading, you can just compound your money a little bit faster once you get good at it. Now, I want to go over 3 coins I do recommend. This isn't financial advice, but the Bitcoin Cash, I actually own a lot of this coin right now on a couple different exchanges. It's a good coin to get into for swing trading, but if you get stuck in it, it's also a good one to hold on to long term, which is a big benefit, because if you don't sell and it goes down and you're worried, I just think Bitcoin Cash is going to go up. But I own a little bit of that on Coinbase Pro, which is an extension of Coinbase. I also like the Engine token quite a bit. I recently bought somewhere around like $20,000 worth of this coin. It's up a lot for the year, but I do plan on probably swing trading it. Maybe I'll hold on to it for a little bit as well. I think it'd get up to $10 by the end of 2021, like at a minimum. So I really like that one. And then the graph, if I can find it here, the graph GRT is another good one for swing trading, but I also think it's going to go up quite a bit as well. I could see this coin getting between 15 and $30. If you take a look at the 1 year on it, you could see it got up to almost $3 recently, but it goes up and down a lot, so it is pretty volatile, and that's why it's a good one to swing trade, or just kind of like put into your repertoire of swing trading. Anyways, guys, if you just get started, even if you're starting with like a few $100s and then you build it up, you'd be amazed. If you put in the work, you can actually make money doing this. It's really not that complicated. And, I've showed you the results here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I also want to say I've done most of this on my phone. I have the desktop pulled up, but, when I have been trading, it's always been on my phone. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.